Hey folks, Paula here. Welcome to my waterfall adventure part 4. We're going to focus on the crew having a good time and looking at some bear. After a hard day, we like to hang out at the Lagoon and also at the lounge above, which we're looking at, and inside there we are. This was June 13th, the evening of, night before the resort opened up for business when the first guests were to arrive. And we were tying it on. They were always trying to get me to taste that green stuff, but I just didn't do it. Stuck with beer. That's my friend Juice and Kayla, and next to her over on the other side that we can't see now is oh god, there's so many people I know, but I can't remember their names. And we spin around, and I didn't even have the camera in hand. That's somebody else with the camera, believe it or not. They didn't do much better than I did. But we'd finish it off at the bonfire. The bonfire was something that the crew liked to do on a regular basis. Every few nights, whoever had a chance would do that. And here's my friend Tim, better known as Kiwi. He was one of the dishwashers. Ah, the bear. There be bear. Poo. Lots of poo. Where there's poo, there is, no doubt, more poo. No, there's live bear poo. And we're looking on the trail. We're looking at it on the trail. I think that a few friends and I were heading off to the WaterFall, and we just decided it was getting a little too dark, especially after we saw the bear poo. As you can see, the woods are extremely dense there. Very dense. I couldn't believe how dense those woods were. Felt great. Brought a little bit of it home with me. And now we're looking, yep, out of camp still at the trail. And pretty soon here I'm gonna pan around to the left, so hold on, folks. There's the shoreline, high tide. Fluctuates about 16 feet there. And there we are looking north, and around the corner from that peninsula there would be Craig, another 45-minute boat ride away. Spinning towards the ice house. Not quite getting through the woods on that one though. And now looking towards the egg house and the water tank. But the next morning there was our friend the bear, the one that we'd seen in the kitchen many times. And this bear hung out, and oh gee, always hanging out right there. I guess the grass must be especially sweet there, or maybe there's some young skunk cabbage or something, but that bear was notorious for getting into the kitchen. Always, when you came out of the kitchen, you'd have to look all over the place to make sure you weren't going to run into the bear. We got him out of camp for a little while, but he came back. Not too scared of people. Not too friendly either, really. But I guess you could say they're sort of used to us. That one's a young one, though.